Everyone, this is Sean Noble. I'm here in the shop today. It's Wednesday, August 9th. Hope everyone's having a great day. Not everything that comes to the shop here for requests for reupholstery is a sofa or a chair or a club chair. We often get unusual requests like we do over here. This is a request from a local college that had these student bean bags. The students were grabbing the bean bags by the leather strap and ripping them open. So what we did was we secured and sewed up the opening so that they wouldn't get ripped again. Behind me here is another request that we're doing. We're custom creating bench cushions. This is a fabric by Maharam. We're not using the old foam, we're using new foam to create brand new bench cushions. If you have a reupholstery project in the future, give us a call, 917-596-6815, and please like this video. Have a great day.